everyone, it's Miss Kelly at the Central Library again, here with my friend Samaya.
Hi.
And we are here with week 4 of Maker Camp. Welcome back. This week we're going to be talking a little bit more about polymers and about chemical reactions. So what's a chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances are converted to one or more different substances. So basically changing one substance into something else. Chemical reactions can happen for a lot of different reasons. Heat, cold, pressure, or the addition of something else will all cause a chemical reaction. Anything you want to add?
No, let's get started.
All right, that sounds great. So what we're going to do today is make a bouncy ball. So we took our containers and filled them up with water, and we put down something to cover the table so it doesn't get messy. Now we're going to snap our molds together. We want this part to be up because there's a hole that we want to, it didn't want to snap together. It can be a little tricky, so give it a minute. Apparently it can be really tricky. There we go, got it. Okay, now pick up one color, doesn't matter which one. And you want to open it up. Now, I know there are holes in the molds, and that's fine. A little of the powder might fall out, but we're not going to worry about it. So we're just going to pour all of the powder into our little mold. And we're going to give it a little tap to settle the little pieces. And then we're going to open up our others. And we're going to pour that one in. Now, if you want to mix your colors more, you can pour a little from one and a little from the other, and that'll make your colors a little more mixy. You want to make sure you fill this all the way up, but you don't want to overfill it, so be careful. Okay. Did you have some left?
Yep, a little bit.
May I have it? I have
Sure.
a little extra space in my mold. That would be perfect. There we go. We are all set now. Now we take our little molds and we drop them right into the water. And we also have a paper towel to dry off our hands if we get them wet. Okay, so now what's happening while it's in the water? That's an excellent question. I'm glad I asked it. So what's happening, well, this is in the water, is a chemical reaction. So we had in the bags was a polymer. We talked about polymers. Now, to think about how polymers act, we want to think about spaghetti. Oh, now I'm hungry. Anyway, spaghetti. Think about spaghetti when it's just been drained. The noodles are still wet and they're kind of slipping and sliding all around each other. Kind of like water, they flow like liquid. Then, if you wait a little bit, the strands start to stick together a little bit more. They might become stickier, harder to pull apart. And then if you wait even longer, it all sticks together, all the spaghetti in a big lump at the bottom of the pot. And if you turn the pot over and shake it, it'll fall out and go boom. Well, okay, it'll bounce probably once and then it'll splat and then you're gonna get in trouble. But the fact is, it will bounce at least once because those polymers are going to stick together and create what's called an elastomer. Elastomer is related to the word elastic. So it's going to stretch, which means when we throw our bouncy ball, the bouncy ball is going to stretch out and then boom, back up. And it's going to happen so fast you won't even see it. So I think these have almost been in the water for long enough. It says 2 minutes. I don't think it's been 2 minutes. Do you think it's been 2 minutes?
I don't think so.
Okay. No. Nope.
Not 2 minutes yet.
Nope.
I'm kind of getting impatient.
Me too. I want to see how it's going to look. Do you think these are going to be good bouncy balls? I think they're going to be
So,
pretty neat.
I mean, we worked hard on them, you know?
Yeah. Took us a whole, like, minute and a half, I think.
Yeah, that's a long time.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I think it's
I'm
ready.
impatient, so I'm going to take it out.
Yeah. Me too.
You should probably wait the whole 2 minutes, though. I can't even say don't try this at home because I really want you to try this at home.
For sure.
Okay, now we unsnap our mold. Look at that!
Wow.
These are our bouncy balls that we just pulled out of the mold. Are you having a little trouble?
Yep. Can you help me?
I sure can.
Thank
They can be
you.
a little tricky to get out of the molds. So, especially this particular thing, you don't want to pull on this little nodule because you'll pull it right off. You want to go ahead and try and just pry it out really gently. You might want to have an adult help you. Okay.
Wow.
Look at that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's still going to be a little bit sticky right now. So you want to let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then, once that happens, then they bounce away. And sometimes they come back. Thanks for coming to this week's Maker Camp, y'all. See you next week.
Bye.